this is Tita Chrissy Achino, and this is Itless Slam Book. All about me. Ako si Chrissy Achino, but my real name is Seth Simon. I went by the name Chino para sino yung Chinese na yon? Chino. Actually, it was Tita Chrissy lang when I started. It was Willie Revillame who thought of the last name Achino. Pronouns are kahit ano. Actually, hindi ako masyadong so pwedeng he, she, it, they, kung ano man. Nickname, Chino na lang lagay natin. Tawag sa akin ng mama ko pag galit na siya. My real name, Seth. Or, eto weird, Robert. Yung Robert kasi, ang backstory niyan, tinatawag niya ako, parang nasa second floor siya. Seth! Seth! Tapos parang nag-makeup lang siya ng name na Robert! Sabi ko, bakit? So, yun na yun. Doon daw ako sumagot sa Robert. So, ako yung may kasalanan. My fault. Nung bata ako, cute ako, yes. Insert niyo yung mga baby photos ko dyan, ha. Nung bata ako, gusto ko maging, madami. Super dami. Like, I wanted to fly. So, I wanted to become a pilot. Tapos, ang second choice ko, sabi ko, magbi-business na lang ako. Kasi Chinese ako. Ang problema naman, wala kaming negosyo. Ang third ko, I wanted to become a news reporter. Pero ngayon, naging content creator. I don't like calling myself an influencer because wala naman ako masyadong na-influence. But content creator because I create content. I forgot! Draw myself. Hindi ako masyadong magaling sa drawing. Hugis-bigas ako dito. Malapit naman, diba? Tumatawa sila, so mukhang hindi. Next, mga first, celebrity crush. Donnie na lang. Diba? Bata. Nung mga bata ako, sino pinapanood ko? Panday, ni Jericho Rosales. Pero wala kasi ako attraction before sa same sex. I was straight until after college. I had 3 girlfriends. But I never had a boyfriend. Baka may mag-a-apply. Celebrity I impersonated. Well, andyan na si Chris. I also did Mike Enriquez, Babalu, Gas Abelgas. That's my first viral video. Nung naisip ko, sabi ko, I think I have to stick with just one character. I stick with Chris kasi madaldal kami pareho. So, kuha ko yung mga mannerisms na ganon. Pag naiiyak talaga, diba? Pero ang pangit naman kapag yun ang gagaya kay Chris, lalaki yung itsura, diba? So, nag-cross-dress na rin ako para total package. Ngayon nga, mas kamukha ko na si Sharon Cuneta. So, first cellphone, Motorola. May, alam mo yung parang sa deodorant, may ganun siya. May roll. First vlog I made. Hashtag Tita Chrissy Covers. Sabi ko, if I can impersonate the real Chris, parang wala na kaming difference. What if gawin ko lahat ng hindi niya ginagawa? So, nag-commute ako, kumain ako ng street foods, kumakanta ako because she doesn't, sing eh.
Batang pasaway at lahat sasabay.
First alcoholic drink, the Bar Green Apple, high school. Tapos, madami akong era eh, kasi I'm alcoholic. And then, it was our family friend na nagturo sa akin mag-hard. So, until now, naka-hard ako. God! Ano yan? Ano to? Whiskey. Okay ako. Di ba nalasing agad? Fandom. I'll write down, I'm 18. I also listen to Beanie. I'll also call myself Blooms. Yeah. Ay, ang bias ko, si Maloy. I love Maloy. Carrots. Because I listen also to 17. So there you go. Next is all about love. Love is a mystery. Bakit kayo tumatawa? Lesson, you learn about love. Love is a choice. Parang naiiyak, parang MMK na to. Mahaba to eh, but love is a choice.
Acting effort to be kind, understanding, and to be committed with another person, all while prioritizing your well-being, but not sacrificing your happiness.
Nabasa ko lang din yan from somewhere. So, punta tayo sa favorites. Favorite song to sing in the shower? Die with a smile. I'ma love you every night like it's the last night. Taas na nun. Nabavertigo na ako. Song to hype yourself up. Not like us. A favorite celebrity you've met? I would say Vice Ganda. Sabi niya, you just do your best because maluwag ang entablado. Kasya tayong lahat. Favorite person to impersonate aside from Chris Aquino? Si Mr. Bean. Ganito si Mr. Hello! Wait lang kasi yung ano ko. Hello! Mr. Bean. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Favorite Team Payaman member? Vian and Julie. She's always there. Kaya, maybe that's why she's my favorite. Tsaka ano siya, very thoughtful. Hobby. Hobby ko to sleep. Everywhere. Like, masa ako. Masandal tulog. Kahit uncomfortable, kahit mainit, kahit nakatayo. Sa misa, pag nakaganon ako. Tapos igaganon ko lang pa ako. Kaya ko tulog. Ano pa ba? Firing. Palagi ako nagpa-firing. Favorite dance moves? Mananahe. Yun lang. Yeah, pa-sweet lang. Haters. Ang pet peeve ko, di nagtataas ng toilet. Ginagawa ko, ganun ako umihi. Like, nakaupo pero nakaharap sa flush. So, kasi minsan inaantok ako, tinutulugan ko pa yun. Totoo yun! My most badoy outfit? Siguro nung high school ako, yellow polo shirt, red pants, and yellow na Supra. Naka-Supra pa ako noon. So sabi ko, I feel like pasyon ako. Tapos naka-mohawk pa ako noon. Unpopular opinion. I believe na dapat walang mga prutas sa kahit na anong ulam. One-on-one exclusive interview. Do you have a dream role you'd like to play in a movie? Yes. As an action star. Fast and the Furious time. Oo, kasi rin po talaga ako sa kalsada. Grabe mag-drive yung mga Pinoy. So kung ka, mas ako. That's my mentality. How did you come up with your character, Chrissy Aquino? May post yung CNN na parang, what if ang Way's voice ay isang local celebrity? Hindi ko alam bakit naririnig ko yung comments. Sabi ko, what if I turn this into a video? Sinut ko siya na umaga, inedit ko siya after lunch, in-upload ko siya mga 5 p.m. Hi, I'm Chris Aquino, your personal instructor for Waze. So, na-start mo ni engine. And then the next day, ang dami nang nagagalit sa akin. Like, yung KMJS, hinahanap daw ako sa Letran. Nag-set up ako agad ng YouTube channel, na visible ako on TV, nakikita ako sa ibang vloggers. So, until now, that's what I do. Flex your drawing skills. Ayan na. Okay. Ito alam ko, gawin mong muka. Gawin lang natin siyang ganyan. Gawin mong S. Oh my God. Draw an emoji that describes me. Yung may luha, pero nakasmile. Yes! That's me! Ano ba yun? That's what I call my fans, Chrissy people. First of all, thank you for loving and supporting me throughout the years. I wouldn't have done this and made it this far without you. So cheers to us. This success is not mine alone. It's ours. Hope to bond with you all soon kung kaya ng powers ko. Heart, heart, Chrissy Aquino. If you love this video, like, follow, share, and subscribe to itlist.ph on all their social media platforms. Syempre, hindi din ako magpapahuli. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms at Chrissy Aquino.